This is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodle. And today we've got one from, well, it's made in what do you call it? It's made in Vietnam for the U.S. market. This is Snapdragon with their spicy AF ramen. It's spicy as fudge. Yeah. I am curious. I just like last week did something that literally I would be more than happy to say was spicy as, yeah. Oh, and it really was. And it will be the number one spiciest. I mean, it is the number one. It is the spiciest instant noodle in the world. This, I've got my doubts, but we shall see. But it wants you to add all the sachets first. There's a vegetable one. There's a this paste. This one mentions the usage of capsicum oleo resin in the ingredients, and that kind of bums me out because that's basically you take peppers and you use an extraction process. It's pepper extract basically, and pepper extract has this bitter, usually kind of chemical kind of funk to it, so I'm not so sure it's going to be wonderful. And then it's got this. This is cheese powder, which seems kind of interesting because it mentions it's ramen and it doesn't mention anything about cheese, but it's got the cheese powder. It seems like they would want to like make that as a feature of it somewhere, but they did not. They opted not to. So maybe it's because people think cheese, that's not spicy. So I will not be trying it in this video. I should let you know right off the bat. This one is just the cooking video, and there will be a mukbang as well. Okay, up to the line. And bing, boom. 3 minutes. Yeah, I don't know how this is gonna go. This could surprise me. It could be spicy as, you know, but I'm gonna find out. I'm gonna find out. And if it isn't, I'm gonna let you know. And if it is, I'm gonna let you know as well. Hey. Yeah. Today is a half day for the children. I didn't have those when I was a kid, unless it was something weird. But it's just a regular thing for them. So it's Wednesday, and it's Wacky Wednesday. That's what the bus driver used to call it. We got a pretty good bus driver this year. She's a nice lady. I miss our old bus driver. She was like one of the coolest people I've ever met. Funny lady too. It's like if the kids got out of hand, because that bus, those kids scream a lot. She's like, oh no, 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 you're gonna scare the bus. The bus will have to be turned off. She'll like, it's like she can handle it. It's funny. So, the ongoing saga of my mouse warranty return. If you've been following it, if you really have that little to do and you're just losing your mind about information on my mouse warranty return, they got it in stock, and then it said, in stock, currently unavailable. What? And then about an hour later, it said in stock, add to cart. So I added it to cart, I used the code, verified my address, and it should be here when it gets here. So. I don't know, folks. I'm like suspicious of this is even worth doing a mukbang over. I'll do it. I mean, I've got everything pretty much all prepped and ready to do one, but and I want these noodles to be like done. I think there's also a really good chance these noodles will never actually have the cohesion or good chew or anything that anybody would ever like. I gotta admit, I've never been a big fan of Snapdragon product. Never. It sucks, because it's like, they could do pretty good. I think they made a Laksa that I liked. I think. I don't remember if I liked it. I know they made one. But that might have been a rice noodle, too. I don't know. So, we'll see. But I will definitely make this thing look nice. Not gonna make it look pretty, that's for sure. Wow. I guess I do say that word a lot. I don't know. I'm weirding myself out. Let's just allow that to happen. So here's our... Wow. Okay, here we are. So we're gonna add in the very dark soup. Woo! Don't go crazy. There's the broth and soup and such. And we're gonna go with an egg. No, we gotta go with this first, because I don't want to do that. It looks good. I mean, at least the color and everything. I like how it looks. Generally not how I review. I think I need to add more juice to this thing, but we'll see. See how that goes. I think they just said breaking news. I like it when they say that. That makes me interested in what the heck they're talking about. So, that. A little mung bean sprout. We don't have a lot of real estate to work with here. I mean, it is a cup. So I got to figure out a way to handle the fact that it is indeed a cup and make it fit where it need to fit. Especially with this egg, boy. Okay, let's see if... if that worked out. One. Whoa, drippy. Drippy. Dude, that's way drippy, yo. Okay, there we go. Ooh, and I got one of these. And you're gonna get all cranky about it when I do a mukbang. You're like, there's too much crap in there. You can't do that. I'm gonna do it anyways. I don't care. We'll throw that there, and we will throw some of that there. Yeah, that was kind of. All right. Well, this is our mukbang stuff. I don't think I'm going to eat anything but the soup and noodle, if at all possible. I don't think it's going to be spicy. I really don't. But I've been wrong before, so yeah. Did I like just leave you spinning and not come back? Wow. I apologize. That's crazy. I just got all ready to do all this stuff out here. Crap. Well, anyways, very rude of me. I apologize. But this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Yeah, next I'm going to do a mukbang of this. I got it almost all set up. So. Have a good one. Bye-bye.